Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to create a single or multiple live lecture schedule. Click on your branch name, click on lectures and all lectures, click on add lecture, select the batch. By default academic year will come from your default academic year. Select the subject. You can also change the name of this lecture schedule. I'm mentioning here. And save. Click on add single schedule to create single day schedule. I'm creating today's schedule. Select the faculty, select topic, or else you can add topic also. Click on powered by Zoom to create live lecture. Click on select a Zoom host to select a Zoom host. Select the host name and save. Now to create multiple schedule, click on multiple day schedule. For live lecture, we are recommending to create 1 week schedule for one host. Select faculty, select start date. I am selecting tomorrow's date. Select end date. If you want to apply same time to all these schedules, then click on this checkbox. I am selecting time here. End time. Selecting days. Click on powered by Zoom option. Select the host and save schedule. This way, you can create multiple days schedule. Thank you.